All of you very good morning students. Today topic connective tissues. The previous class discussed the connective tissues. The connective tissues are divided into three types: connective tissue proper, fluid connective tissue and skeletal connective tissue. So today topic skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissues. You know skeleton means bones. Our body presenting on the bones. That bones are called the skeletals. So the skeletal tissues. The bones are the endoskeleton. Endoskeleton of all adult vertebrates. All adult vertebrates. The skeletal tissues. The skeletal tissues are the endoskeleton. Endoskeleton of all adult vertebrates. All adult vertebrates. Endoskeleton means, endo means inside. The skeletons are presenting on the inside the body. Endoskeleton. And exoskeleton. Exoskeleton means skeleton. The covered by the outside the body is the exoskeleton. So endoskeleton means that bones presenting on the inside the body. So they are the skeletal tissues are the endoskeleton of all adult vertebrates. All adult vertebrates. Endoskeletons are the all adult vertebrates, the skeletons. Next one, these are the support the body. Support the body. These are support the body. The skeletons are the support the body. Next one, protection. Protection of organs. Protection of organs. The protection of the organs. So protection of the organs like a brain. That brain protection from the skull. The heart protection from the ribs. Lungs protection from the ribs. So they are the protection of the organs of the body. So our body presents different organs. That organs are the protection from the skeletal tissue. The skeletals are the protection. Understand? The skeletals are the support of the body. Next one, they are the skeletons, a protection of the organs. Protection of the organs. Next one, the skeletal free surfaces. They are skeletal surface attachment of muscles. Free surfaces of the skeletal bones, they are the attachment of the muscles with help of locomotion. So the muscles are attached to the skeletons. The skeletal surfaces are attached to the muscles. That muscles helps from the locomotion. That muscles are attachment of these bones. These helps from the locomotion. For example, humans are the walking. So the skeletal muscles attachment of the bones. So that bones are the helps from the locomotion. They are the movement. Next one. So they are the muscles. The skeletal muscles attachment of these bones. So these are the movement helps from the locomotion. So these are the skeletal tissue. The skeletal tissues are the endoskeleton of all adult vertebrates. Endoskeleton of all adult vertebrates. Next one, these skeletals the supporting to the body. The support to the body. Next one, these are the skeletons are the protection from the organs. Protection from the organs. Next one, the bones are attachment of the muscles. These are helps from the locomotion. Helps from the locomotion. Next one, the skeletal tissue is the two types. The skeletal tissue two types. It is two types. One is the cartilage. First one cartilage. Second one bone. One is the cartilage, another one is the bone. The skeletal tissue is divided into two types. First one cartilage, second one bone. Cartilage and bone. So the first heading cartilage. First one cartilage. First one cartilage. First one cartilage. So the cartilage is a solid. Cartilage is a solid and semi-rigid. Solid, semi-rigid. Semi-rigid means the flexible. So the cartilage is a solid and semi-rigid connective tissue. Connective tissues. The cartilage is the solid and semi-rigid connective tissue. Called solid and semi-rigid. Semi-rigid means flexible. Like these are the cartilage, the flexible. They are the cartilage, the flexible means the cartilage are the solid. They formed by the solid, but the flexible. They are the like movement, the flexible. So they are the solid and flexible connective tissues. Solid and flexible connective tissues. Next one, the cartilage contain a fibers. The cartilage contain a fibers. Fibers like collagen fibers and elastic fiber. The cartilage contain a collagen fibers and elastic fibers. These two fibers presenting only elastic cartilage. These two fibers, collagen fibers, elastic fibers, two presenting only elastic cartilage. The remaining cartilage is only presenting on the collagen fibers. Only presenting on the collagen fibers. The cartilage contain a collagen fibers and elastic fibers. Next one, is also presenting on the extracellular matrix. Presenting on the matrix. That matrix contain a cells. That cells is called the chondroblast cells. Chondroblast cells. The extracellular matrix contain a cells. The extracellular matrix contain a cells. That cells are called the chondroblast cells. Chondroblast cells. That chondroblast cells covered by the fluid filled space. Chondroblast cells fluid filled space called lacunae. The fluid filled space called lacunae. The chondroblast cells are covered by the fluid filled space is called the lacunae. The chondroblast cells is covered by the fluid filled space. That space is called the lacunae. That space is called the lacunae. Next one, the inactive. The inactive cartilage cells called chondrocytes. Called chondrocytes. The inactive cartilage cells are called the chondrocytes. The inactive cartilage cells are called the chondrocytes. Next one, the cartilage is surrounded by, it is surrounded by fibrous connective tissue called pericardium. pericardium. The cartilage is surrounded by the connective tissue. The fibrous connective tissue is called the pericardium. The cartilage is covered by the membrane. That membrane is called the fibrous connective tissue is the pericardium. The cartilage is covered by the fibrous connective tissue. These are the pericardium. Next one, the pericardium contain blood vessels. Blood vessels. Pericardium contain blood vessels. The cartilage is the avascular. The cartilage is avascular. The cartilages are the avascular. The cartilages avascular. The cartilages are the avascular. Avascular means the blood vessels are the absent. The cartilages are avascular. Avascular means blood vessels are absent. Blood vessels are absent. But these are taken from the nutritions. They are taken from the nutrition through the diffusion process. Taken from the nutrition. From the nutritions. Taken from the nutritions from diffusion process. Diffusion process. Diffusion process through the pericardium. Pericardium. So the pericardium presenting on the blood vessels. The pericardium presenting on the blood vessels. The cartilage, there is no blood vessels. The blood vessels of the pericardium presenting on the nutritions. These cartilage, the diffusion of the nutritions from the pericardium. The cartilage, the nutritions are the diffusion from the pericardium. So they are the cartilage introduction. The cartilage is the semi-rigid. They are the cartilage is the solid semi-rigid means flexible connective tissues. The cartilage contain fibers, the collagen fibers and elastic fibers. Collagen fibers and elastic fibers. These two fibers presenting on the only elastic cartilage. Remaining cartilage presenting on the collagen fibers. Next one is presenting on the matrix. That matrix presenting on the cells. That cells is called the chondroblast cells. That cells are called the chondroblast cells. That chondroblast cells is covered by the fluid space. That chondroblast cells is covered by the fluid space. These are called the lacunae. These are called the lacunae. Next one, the entire cartilage is covered by the cartilage is surrounded by the fibrous connective tissue, the pericardium. The cartilage is surrounded by the fibrous connective tissue. They are the pericardium. The pericardium is a vascular. Vascular means they are presenting on the blood vessels. The cartilage avascular. The cartilage is the avascular. Avascular means blood vessels are the absent, but they are taken from the nutrition. The diffusion process through the pericardium. The pericardium is a vascular. They are presenting on the nutrition. These nutritions absorption, the simple diffusion process from the pericardium. They are the cartilage. Introduction of the cartilage. Next one, cartilage divided into three types. The cartilage divided into three types. First one, hyaline cartilage. Second one, elastic cartilage. Third one, fibrous cartilage. Hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrous cartilage. These are divided into three types. First one, hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. First one, hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. The hyaline cartilage. So this diagram is the hyaline cartilage. So these are the hyaline cartilage. First one, the hyaline cartilage bluish white color. The color is the bluish white color. The cartilage is the hyaline cartilage is the bluish white color. Bluish white color. Next one, it is presenting on the fibers. That fibers are the collagen fibers. The fibers are the collagen fibers. They are presenting on the collagen fibers. It is presenting on the collagen fibers. Next one, a matrix. Matrix homo. Matrix is the homogeneous. The matrix is the homogeneous. Homogeneous means the entire matrix is the same. The matrix is the homogeneous. Next one, these are the cartilage is the hyaline cartilage is the weakest cartilage. The cartilage is the weakest cartilage. The cartilage is the weakest cartilage. Next one, so they are the bluish white color. The color is the bluish white color. It presenting on the fibers. That fibers are the collagen fibers. Fibers are the collagen fibers. Next one, the matrix is the homogeneous. The matrix is the homogeneous. Next one, these are the weakest cartilage. They are all the cartilages. The hyaline cartilage is the weakest cartilage. Next one, the pericardium is present. Pericardium is present. Pericardium is present except articular cartilage. So the articular cartilage means these are the subcartilage of the hyaline cartilage. The hyaline cartilage presenting on the pericardium. The hyaline cartilage is presenting on the, these are the pericardium. Hyaline cartilage presenting on the pericardium, but except the articular cartilage. The articular cartilage is the subcartilage of the hyaline cartilage. So these are the absent of the pericardium. So these are the hyaline cartilage. The hyaline cartilage is the bluish white color. Next one, they are presenting on the collagen fibers. That fibers are the collagen fibers. The matrix is the homogeneous matrix. The matrix is the homogeneous matrix. Next one, the pericardium is present. Pericardium is present except articular cartilage. Next one, so these are the all the cartilages. These cartilages the weakest cartilage. So they are the weak cartilage. These are presenting in the nasal septum. So these are the nasal septum, and the tracheal and bronchial rings. They are the C-shaped rings. They are formed by the hyaline cartilage. They are the rings. Next one is also presenting on the embryonic stage of the all vertebrates. Embryonic stage of the all the vertebrates, like child babies. And the embryonic baby, the bones are the like flexible. So they are because of presenting on the that bones are the cartilage bones from the embryonic stage. Next one, the cartilaginous fishes. The endoskeleton is the hyaline cartilage. Example, their location from the nasal septum. Rings of trachea and bronchi. Embryonic endoskeleton of all vertebrates. So these are the hyaline cartilage. The types of cartilage, 4 marks, very important. The types of cartilage is the 4 marks question, a very important question. 4 marks question. The very types of the cartilages. So they are the hyaline cartilage. Second one, elastic cartilage. Second one is the elastic cartilage. elastic cartilage, hyaline cartilage. Second one, elastic cartilage. Second one, elastic cartilage. The elastic cartilage color, it is yellow color. It is yellow color. The elastic cartilage is the yellow color. Elastic cartilage is the yellow color. Next one, it was presenting on collagen fibers. Collagen fibers and elastic fibers. It is presenting on the collagen fibers and elastic fibers. The cartilage is the strong and elastic. These are the strong and elastic cartilage. Next one, the pericardium is present. Pericardium is present. Pericardium is present. So they are the elastic cartilage. So this diagram is the elastic cartilage. This elastic color is the yellow color. That color is the yellow color. Next one, it is presenting on the collagen fibers and elastic fibers. So they are the collagen fibers. They are the elastic fibers. The collagen and the elastic cartilage presenting on the two fibers, collagen fibers and elastic fibers. Next one, so they are the strong and elastic cartilage. These elastic cartilage is the strong and elastic cartilage. Next one, the pericardium is present. So these are the pericardium. Pericardium is present. Next one, their location. Their location from the example, they are presenting on the ear pinna. Ear pinna. So these are the ear pinna. So these are the ear pinna. Next one, eustachian tubules. Eustachian tubules, Eustachian tubules, ear pinna and Eustachian tubules, and epiglottis. Next one, epiglottis. So these are the elastic cartilage. The elastic cartilage is a yellow color. So next one, they are presenting on the collagen fibers and elastic fibers. Next one, it is a strong and elastic cartilage. Next one, these are pericardium is present. Example, ear pinna, eustachian tubules. They are ear to connecting from the buccal cavity, eustachian tubules and epiglottis. So they are presenting on the epiglottis. So they are the elastic cartilage. Finally, third one, fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage. Third one is the fibrous cartilage. Third one, fibrous cartilage. The fibrous cartilage means these are white color. These are white color. The fibrous cartilage is the white color. The color is the white color. Next one, it is presenting on the collagen fibers. It is present collagen fibers. It is presenting in collagen fibers. Next one, it is the strong cartilage. Strong cartilage. It is the strong cartilage. Next one, pericardium is absent. Pericardium is absent. Pericardium is absent. So these are the white color. It is a present collagen fibers. It is presenting in the collagen fibers. Next one, it is a strong cartilage of the all the cartilages. Strong cartilage of the all the cartilages. Next one, pericardium is absent. Pericardium is absent. Next one, these are the examples. Examples. These are presenting in the intervertebral disc. So they are the backbone of the intervertebral disc. They are presenting on the intervertebral disc, and so they are the pelvic bone. They are presenting on the pelvic region. They are presenting on the pelvic region. So this bone, the pelvic bone, that pelvic bone, the pelvic bone of pelvic region of the pubic region presenting on the cartilage. So they are the intervertebral disc. The intervertebral disc are the one to the another connected from the cartilage. So that cartilage is called the fibrous cartilage. The location from the intervertebral disc. So they are the cartilage and types of the cartilage. The 4 marks very important question in IB exam. 4 marks very important. Types of the cartilages. The cartilage is the 3 types: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrous cartilage. Hyaline cartilage, they are the bluish white color. The matrix presenting on the collagen fibers. The matrix is the homogeneous. So these are the weakest cartilage. Next one, the pericardium is present except the articular cartilage. Next one, second one, elastic cartilage. The elastic cartilage is the yellow color. These are presenting on the collagen fibers and elastic fibers. Next one, these are the strong and elastic cartilage. Next one, pericardium is present. Next, third one is the fibrous cartilage. The fibrous cartilage, the color is a white color. Fibrous cartilage color is a white color. Next one, it presenting on the collagen fibers. The fibers are the collagen fibers. Pericardium is absent. Next one, these are the strong cartilage. So these are the 3 types of the cartilages. Our next topic, continue to the bone.